Good morning from Dielsdorf. Another day, another road. This day I'm going to make a trip from Dielsdorf to Otelfingen. It's a walk of only 8.5 kilometers. That's because I have some problems with my foot and I don't dare to take any longer trips in case I get into trouble. Unfortunately not with my Lumix G81 today. It's still in repair. However, I've got a good replacement in this Olympus OMD EM5 Mark II camera. So thanks for walking with me, and well, I hope you have a wonderful trip. So, currently walking from Dielsdorf to Regensberg. It's a beautiful village, Dielsdorf, I must say, really interesting. Apparently I'm walking now next to the house where Frits Bob was born, a poem and farm politician. No idea what it means, but for those who are interested, this is the house that he was born in. Dielsdorf is indeed a beautiful village. With very typical houses, the walls of wood, mostly painted red, and it's really looking very nice and interesting here. A steep climb here, starting from Dielsdorf. It's on our way from Dielsdorf to Regensberg, and the word means mountain, and it seems like there's a reason for that. I'm now in the beautiful old city of Regensberg. Really beautiful village, as you can see. Very old houses. Looks really extremely picturesque. So we are now at the Regensberg. It was quite a steep climb from Dielsdorf, but definitely worth it. Beautiful old village, beautiful views on Zurich. This is called the Pearl of the Zurich Lowerlands, and I think that's a very, very justified name for it. So welcome in Mutschen, the highest point of the trip, 638 meters. It was a climb so far, but now we're only going downhill to the brewery, which is our end point. So we're now on our way to Boppelsen. It's a wonderful walk through the woods. It's gorgeous weather, but fortunately enough there is a little bit of shadow here. So we're now at Boppelsen, 516 meters. Boppelsen is a beautiful village and it's especially known for the former schoolhouse, which is now the town hall, and you can see that behind me. So this is the end of the journey, I think. So here I am in Otelfingen. Behind me you see the brewery. The brewery was really the purpose of my visit and also the reason why I did this tour in the opposite order that was prescribed in the guidebook. Unfortunately the brewery is closed due to COVID-19, so that means I have to come here again. Unfortunately it's even more tragic than that. This is not temporary due to Corona, but apparently the brewery has closed its doors for forever. So that's a real shame. Really sad to see that. So, now walking to the Bahnhof Otelfingen. I made it just in time. Train should be leaving in 2 minutes. But again, a wonderful walk and hope to see you next time.